So they're coming for another boat now, guys. Oh, your foot are going now, friend. A fisherman got injured. Then probably have to go move a table here to move police boats. Alright, I still go back down at the sea. Hold on, when they move a boat here. The sea was pretty hard this morning. It kind of cool on now, but you know, say it will build up back by time, by midday noon in time day, it will come up back. You see me? This is Farmer Fishing Village, guys. Farmer Fishing Village.
Like Europe,
yeah, man, everybody unites. I like this.
Ivan, come out, Ivan, come out.
Ivan have to come right in front.
Ivan, come out first, no, man.
The breeze is picking up. Me still gonna know. Still gonna my yard. This have a purpose. Byron, this have a purpose. This is Farmer Fishing Village. Thank you. Yeah, me love unity. Everybody here says not friends, but storm bring unity, disaster bring unity. Remember me tell you that. Every size boat I move go to the The breeze is getting pretty strong, you know. I still will go home. You wish you were in Jamaica, really? Oh, you want to see the sea? It kind of calm down one little now, but you know, by midday, you go get back rough. The sea was breaking over right over here this morning. So every fisherman now take no check them move over them boat over on the field. You see? Water they take time. You can't go no further because the water coming up. It's now 9:30 in Jamaica. This is Falmouth. We're in Falmouth. So every fisherman move up them boat from the sea front, gone way over field. Yeah, Cholarny, Falmouth Cholarny. Because if you look on the difference, water was here. Look on the well, some people live on the beach, you know, you have some fishermen live on the beach, and most of them are business places. Thank you. When me I do a seaside, I have a business down here. You're just joining the live, so you're just asking from the seaside. So no, now watch me. What me they do down here?
Right, at seaside we live. I'll tell them my cousin girl.
They must say what me I do down here. We live right around the corner, right?
Well, somebody can come give me some gift too.
Thank you for the gifts, guys. Right, Louise? Yeah, come for steam fish and breakfast. I will steam fish there. Thank you, Jessica. It's so miserable. Then if time I come, we not most miserable.
No, fall miserable and bad. Yeah.
No, this is not Bull Bay. This is Falmouth Fishing Village. Food of eat, of course.
And then look a piece of dog them start using.
It looks so. Probably if you carry lights about them. Rona so. Alright, we are going to tune in on what they go and run at the back of now. Yes, this is near the library, right across from the library. Right across from the police station and library. You know what I go? See the sea? It's getting witchy down here, guys. Me so gone. Yeah. Hey, birds. Man, it's time if you heal up your dapper.
Ah, bless up with Jesus.
See him, I say bless up, eh? Him the live too, so you can tune in for HK Bama live also. No problem, done there. All when Beryl go on, he shop them a vibes. Hey, we Jamaicans that say no serious. Hey, Jamaicans that say no serious, you know? One Ashley, thanks for the likes. Thanks for the gifts. 5150. Appreciate it. Another boat. So everything I move up and feel. Believe. Everything.
Yeah, look at you with them red blocks there, you know?
Hey, body of blood, please. On the top, boat car for skate pan soul. Them boats are the skate pan wood.
Can't say that.
Them are talk about the car them for skate pan soul. Them are boats are the skate pan wood.
Yeah, and me the same boat that skate pan land. Yeah? She can't say that.
I would them boats are the skate pan.
Oh, she can say that. No, I hear that.
No, so we say no, I hear that.
No man is supposed to say that.
No, sir.
I don't know. Boat that skate pan.
Watch again now, guys.
What's the name?
Who that
Say,
is?
we make this about house that can skate pan.
Oh, Jaden.
Jaden.
Watch your unity. Look what Beryl bring. Unity.
1, 2, 3. Acha, boat a skate pan.
Boat a skate pan wood.
Skate the boat.
I'll drift the boat, I drift.
I see alone and I see boat skate. I hear that. I see alone and I see boat skate. Watch it.
Nice.
Watch it. I see alone and I see boat skate. Watch it.
Hey, then I said, no, serious, no. Go so.
Nobody. You understand the whole life
Alright, one next boat they go for right now. All of them boats are the skate pan wood in the morning. Every boat. All surf and skate. The sea is getting mad, guys. We're so gone. Probably me telling you that I'm so gone. What I want to go? Sing again. Look, guys, so that's the reason why they're moving their boats, because the water is actually coming over. You understand? Oh. Seaside actually empty no more now for this man.
Yeah, active.
Because the water, see water mark here, guys. The water did come right over this morning. Kind of dry right now, but you know, say in a midday when they say Beryl fi actually pass away, yeah, you know, say it come back. We up here so water went in this morning, I believe. Yeah. But you know, me can't go stay right through if you go in the circle. Good girl have to go home soon. Me live right around the corner, guys. Don't worry what me I do on seaside. Me have a business. Water they come over, so you know fisherman go. But they have to push up them boats. Another boat gone on the field. So what, 2 more boats left to go up on the field right now.
No problem, don't worry about nothing.
Unity, strength. Every boat has skate pan wood in the morning, yeah. Every boat.
You have a right to talk about wood.
Yeah.
You have a right to talk about wood, man. You have a right to talk about wood.
Yeah, no skate to the skate. Watch a beer all the boat them a skate pan. Yeah. Wood. Alright, show them how you skate pan the wood. Me go show them. I want to see how you skate pan the wood. Why me say that? We are talking about boat now.
I said, me no ma come skate pan the wood.
Alright, look there. One next boat a skate, you know. Believe. See why I say boat a skate pan wood? Believe right on the field.
I jump on the rope, pick it
Guys, accident nearly go on. I see a skating cast and I have to be careful. How much boat left now if you go run? Yeah. When me done, me go on a tour pan the field. I where the boat them transfer go, you see me? Them a lay out what I owe them in order. I drive with this, you know. No, I would. Them a plank, them a post. The breeze I get strong now, you know. It's still gone.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Is that?